guys, welcome to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you so much for your support.
Today we're going to show you guys how to do an interlocking loop ponytail. So let's get started.
You're going to start off by having 2 equal ponytails. So you're going to start by sectioning off this ponytail into 3 equal parts. I'm going to go and wet this down a little bit more. For me, it works better when it's wet. You can do this dry if you like. Okay, so now you have 3 equal parts. I'm going to go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Now on the left side of this strand, I'm going to take a small section from it. I'm going to go ahead and just take a clip it to the side, out of the way, and then I'm going to go ahead and do another stitch of a braid. Now I'm going to take another small section on the left side of the strand, and this time I'm going to go ahead and drop this down and bring this back up here and clip it to the side. I'm going to wet this down a little bit more. Now I'm going to join this strand with this section. Then you're going to go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. Now you're going to take a small section from this side of the strand and bring this down and take this, clip it to the side. Now before I join this together, I'm going to take this first strand, the small little strand, and I'm going to pull out very slow and very gentle. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this to this strand. And then I'm going to continue a stitch of a braid. Now take a small section from the left side of the braid. And you're going to take the clip, drop this strand down, and bring this strand back up. Before I add the small strand to this side, I'm going to pull the second strand out, very slow and gentle. You want to make sure that the loops are extended equally. Now I'm going to join it. This is all repeated all the way down to the end. Then I'm just going to go and take this last loop and just secure it off and add it to this strand and then end it with a braid. So I'm going to go back and then take the loop, stretch it out, pull it, and this is what you'll have on this side. So now we're going to work on the left side of the ponytail. I'm going to split it into 3 equal parts. Basically, I'm going to do the same thing I did on this side over here. Just a little bit different this time. So again, I'm just going to do a stitch of a braid. And again, this does work really well when your hair is wet. So I'm going to take a section from the right side of the strand and I'm going to go and pull it right through this loop right here. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take my fingers, put in between this loop, and grab that section right here. Grab it and pull through. And then I'm going to go ahead and combine it with this. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. Take a small section on this side again, the right side of the strand. And this time I'm going to find this loop here, the next loop. Put my fingers through it, grab it, and pull through, and then add it to this strand here. And then go ahead and do another stitch of a braid. And this is all repeated. I'll do it one more time. Take a section on the right side of the strand. Put your fingers through this loop on the right. Grab this small strand, bring it through the loop, and then add it to that strand. And then go ahead and do another stitch of a braid. You just continue all the way down until you get to the last loop. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and complete a braid. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to stretch out the loop. You can go ahead and expand this side of the loop even further out before you go ahead and do this section, and it'll give you a wider look to it. And here's the final results. You can go ahead and put this together if you want, but I think I like it this way. Put a little hairspray just to tame those flyaways. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. We're always up for a good challenge, so if you know of any styles that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comment section below.
We also love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. To watch more of our videos, click over there.
Until next time,
learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye!
Bye guys!